grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have major Ripple news, okay? Major Ripple news, major Quant news, and we're just going to talk about this entire market. Make sure you're watching to the end because this is a very important time. As the time goes on and we approach December, these daily market updates are going to be very important. So make sure you click the like button, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, and let's go. Bitcoin, 64,000, okay? 64,000. We can see right here, starting out with Bitcoin, and then we'll talk about all the altcoins. I like this indicator from Ben Cowan, okay? Ben Cowan is a big channel on YouTube, 600,000 subscribers. He does not clickbait, unlike Crypto Mason, but he just does charts. Like, he's just strictly charts. But he says to watch this bull market support band. This bull market support band is the 21 EMA and the 20 EMA, I believe. And we can see that both EMAs are reaching a new all-time high. As you can see, boom, 50,000 here and 53,000. These are reaching a new all-time high, right? As we can see, if we go back here, they've never been this high ever. So that is a bullish signal right there. We also had Bitcoin close the week at the highest ever. Close the week at the highest ever, okay? As we can see right here, if it loads, Bitcoin once again has its highest weekly candle close at 65,505. Dang, 6555. Closing the weekly candle above the 3.618 Fibonacci extension for the first time. This is bullish stuff. I'm telling you, actual progress is being made on Bitcoin, and we're going to cover a couple more charts. But I want to talk about XRP. I want to give myself a pat on the back because look what I did. I made my first actual leverage trade with Market Cipher. I made 5.72% right here. 5.27. I put in, how much did I put in? Total size was 3,339 contracts, right? And I made $116 US. I blew my own mind. I longed perfectly on XRP. I hit a very nice long. And I'm using Femex, by the way. You can sign up for Femex if you really want to leverage trade. I don't recommend it. It's very risky stuff. But you can use the link in my description to sign up for Femex. But this was crazy to me. I made a good long play. I believe it was in here. Yeah, it was in here. 119. Look, if I would have kept holding that, I got in 119 my price. So about there, and I literally sold up there. It was just insane. I feel like XRP is a great coin to like trade because it's very it just fluctuates. Look at this. This is the 45-minute chart. Look at this. 125 coming down, boom, 116 back up, 119. It just gives you these opportunities, or it's been giving you these opportunities. So just wanted to show that. Market Cipher hit. It hit perfectly. It was very easy for me too. If you want to get Market Cipher, that's in the description as well. But I was using the momentum waves indicator and the money flow. The money flow and the momentum waves are the most important. And then the other stuff like the stochastic RSI and the normal RSI, I use as just like more confirmation. So let's take a look at this. This is from Harrington, never underestimate the power of boring, or the importance of boring Bitcoin. Look at this. During these times, right? All of these times, this is when everyone leaves the market. I'm waiting for that time when everybody's left the market. I hope to God that you guys stay. Then you will be rich. You will be rich if you just stay in this market for 4 years. That's all it takes, literally. You will learn so much and master this thing and be able to contribute to a bear cycle and a full bull cycle. So never underestimate. You could have been stacking in these spots, right? And all people wait for is these big candles. I believe this is the monthly chart. Yeah. Insane, dude. Now, before we get into the Ripple and the Quant news, which is very big, we have a chart from Jesse Olsen. This is the guy who put up the monster candle thing, right? This guy put up the monster candle stuff. So we can see that these 1-2 things, 1-2 right here, right? The monthly candle broke all-time high in 2013. Boom. Right there. 1-2. 1-2. And we are basically about to reach 1 over here and then 2. If so, look at this. Bitcoin monster candle milestones to file away for a few weeks. 1 to 3 days around December 7 to 9. December 7 to 9 is when they're predicting. The price reaches about 200K. Price drops to about 110K, right? And the 255K is based on this 1.618 fib. If so, then December 19th, December 19th, plus or minus 2 days, and the 250K cycle peak falls right into the 250 to 340K zone. So these are the bullish people I like to pay attention to because they are using macro charts. They're not all caught up or flopping and groping, as CryptoFace likes to call it, on the 5-minute chart, right? We are zoomed out looking what's happening. We're on the daily chart looking at the bull market support band. We're just looking at the macro to push us into December, right? Another one from TechDev right here. According to an indicator that has called every Bitcoin top and bottom, we are nowhere close. And this would make sense that we're nowhere close because the top is probably going to be in December. Our position above the 2-week RSI channel EQ is in perfect confluence with our consolidation at the log 1618, okay? This suggests a massive move is near. So all we got to see right here, we don't need to know any crazy stuff. All we got to see is this 2-week RSI line, right? That's calling every top and every bottom so far, right? And we can see that we're not even close to hitting that top right there. We're not even close. Now, let's get into the QNT news. This is big stuff. And QNT is up 6% off this. I believe it's off this, right? Look at this big moon, like 265 all the way to, holy cow, we went to 293 already, right? The 24-hour high, as we can see right here, 293, and the low, 255, so $40. Wow. I should have been trading Quant. So look at this, the 38th most valuable company on the planet recognizes Quant over Ledger as the perfect solution to blockchain interoperability, okay? They're now working with Quant in a highly collaborative manner. And the actual Quant Twitter says, excited to announce that our partner Oracle has certified Overledger to deliver interoperability for Oracle blockchain platform. Big, 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 big. And it's interesting that this is coming out using Buffer. Hold on. Buffer is maybe a Twitter scheduler where you can schedule tweets. So maybe it's just all going to plan and they're just releasing this news. I don't know. I can see where it's posted from, which app it's posted from. So, what else type of announcements y'all got loaded up on your Buffer are just going to come out on a certain date, like scheduled. So that's big news. Oracle plus Quant. We already knew about that, but they've strengthened their partnership and it's even bigger. This is from Ripple here. Bank Alpha and Lulu Exchange are enhancing cross-border payment experience to Pakistan through the RippleNet platform. This is a new corridor with Pakistan, which, don't forget, Pakistan is the 6th largest remittance receiving country in the world. The 6th largest in the world, right? And they say right here, as one of the largest remittance markets, it's a critical partnership, okay? There's the Bank Alpha and RippleNet will help foster new opportunities. Pakistan remains a key payments corridor for us. This is the Lulu Financial Group guy talking. Big news right there. Every day, or like every couple weeks, we're waking up to a new corridor on Ripple, right? They're just expanding the network even amidst a lawsuit, right? Now, we have a new paper coming out from the Digital Pound Foundation discussing wholesale versus retail CBDC. And look at this line in here. And keep in mind, who's on the Digital Pound Foundation? Ripple, Electroneum, Quant, and Billion Financial Group, right? A single system handling both wholesale and retail CBDC certainly makes sense from a processing point of view. Okay, Ripple can do that. Ripple can definitely do that, right? And they're talking about real-time gross settlement systems. Ripple can do this, right? What's interesting about this is Digital Pound, this is just Digital Pound Foundation advising the countries on how to run their CBDC. You have to remember that. It's literally just them advising them. So they're not, who knows if they actually end up using Ripple. It really doesn't make sense to have Ripple on, a part of the Digital Pound Foundation. They're a part of it, and they don't use them? They can just do everything. Ripple can actually do everything that's needed, okay? We have the private ledger that does hundreds of thousands of TPS for CBDCs, right? That was some of the biggest news that came out this year. We have this from James Butterfield, Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly. We can see that in the last couple weeks here, we've had insane digital asset investment product flow. So this means institutions coming into digital asset products. Bitcoin saw inflows totaling 98 million. Okay. Altcoin inflows were led by Cardano, with inflows totaling 16 million last week. Okay. Look at this. So we can see these are the assets, right? This is who's doing it, and these are the assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, multi-asset, Binance, Litecoin, Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, Tron, Ripple. So they're still listing it as Ripple. Do you guys not see how that's a terrible freaking... unless they're actually investing in the Ripple company. I'm not sure. Or that's supposed to be XRP. I'm not sure. But then they go down here and say XRP. Do you see how this is all screwed up? That is a main point in the lawsuit, is misleading people with, are you investing in Ripple or are you investing in XRP? Don't call the freaking coin Ripple. Because if we go to a January 2015 snapshot coin market cap, we just type it in, right? Click this. We see, oh, they changed it here too. See, coin market cap knows what's up. This used to be Ripple. That used to say Ripple. That's a major point in the lawsuit that I've never heard anybody talk about. All right, let's talk about how to get rich in crypto, my favorite topic. How to get rich in crypto. Farmer Brown says getting rich in crypto is about surviving long enough until you can go big on a high confidence trade. I freaking love this. I've been thinking about this a lot lately. This specific point. Stack small gains and a big play every few months. If you try to make too much in a short time frame, you'll get rugged, liquidated, hacked. I'm going to retweet that, actually. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, by the way. You'll get rugged, liquidated, hacked, okay? This is just so good, okay? This is my goal right now. I've put a certain amount of money into this leverage trading account, and I just want to, that's money I can lose. I don't care. With leverage trading, it always got to be money you can lose. I want to try and make that account and trade that account up to 10,000, right? I put 4,000 in there, trade it up to 10,000, trade it up to 100,000. So he's saying just stack the small gains and go big, not on a leverage trade, go big on a spot trade, on a high confidence trade. For example, if you would have been playing 5D chess, meaning thinking ahead of the game, you could have known that everyone was going to stack Sologenic for the airdrop. Somewhere in here, they released the news of the airdrop. Even if you got in here, boom, you're still up. Even if you got in late, boom, you're still up. This is called a high confidence trade in my eyes. As soon as you saw people start stacking this for the airdrop, because it's still coming, the airdrop, and we can see a big sell-off happened here at $3, which is expected, you could have put 50,000, like all of your small gains, boom, into Sologenic and just known that this was going to ride up, and you could have just took profit here. That's what a bunch of people did. So that's insane. Kraken is listing Shiba Inu this week. Just graze over that in case you want to know about that. Shiba Inu, they're desperately trying to revive the thing. I'm fully out of Shiba Inu now. But that is all we've got for the daily market update. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching every single day. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram group, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.